It's Saturday. It is already in the afternoon. I've already had a productive day. I was able to get a massage this morning. I did not work out, so I was being bad. But anyway, I got a massage this morning, got dressed and ready for the massage. Usually when I show up, I'm in sweats, but I got dressed and ready. Let me show you what I'm wearing. Okay, so this is my outfit for today. This is what I wore to get my massage. Usually when I show up, I am wearing sweatpants. So this was, you know, a surprise for them. They were like, oh my gosh, she's like not going to the gym after this, is she? No, today is lazy day Saturday, and so I put on a bodysuit. I got this bodysuit from Agachi. I have this, and look, I got a little hole in it. Shh, don't tell anybody. I just keep kind of gathering it like this. But anyway, I have this cashmere sweater that I got from a boutique in Texas. So, oh, my arm is getting very tired right now. But anyway, I got this from a boutique in Texas. I can't remember the name. I have my Gucci belt on. I have my Topshop shorts on, as well as my Marc Fisher shoes. I love these wedges. Awesome. And, you know, it's an outfit. Delicate jewelry. Hair up because it is hot. And this is the outfit I'm rocking today. And guess what, you guys? I don't really have a lot of plans today. This is the situation in the living room right now. My husband has got off of work. He is a fireman, and let's just say it was a rough night. It was a really rough night. So he's been pretty much on the couch all day. Okay, so my room looks good here, but it's in shambles on my bed because I was filming for a new video. I'm gonna do my 10 things I'm loving right now video, and apparently everything that I'm loving is all over my bed. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you make that salad. I hope you like it too. There was one scene that I did not include, and that was me kind of crushing up some pecans and adding some honey to it and then putting it in the oven on 350. So make sure you do that before you try the salad. I hope you guys try it. Comment down below and let me know how you thought it tasted. Let me know if it worked out great for you. It's a nice vegetarian salad. I love it. Anyway, thanks for sharing Saturday with me again. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later on.